Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Orca token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Orca is the governance token for Orca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange DEX and automated market maker AMM built on the Solana blockchain. Core purpose: it is designed to democratize decentralized finance DeFi by providing an intuitive platform for swapping assets and providing liquidity. Key technology: id flagship product Wirepools implements concentrated liquidity, allowing capital to be deployed within specific price range for greater efficiency. Token utility: the Orca token is used for community governance, giving holders voting powers over the protocol's future development and parameters. Orca project institution rating is 4.4. Orca token total supply is around 74.99 million and circulating supplies around 60.79 million. Orca token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.